y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Slim if you're new here, and today we are getting into this Juvia's Place Natural Radiance Foundation. My face is giving natural, it's giving radiant, and I'm so excited, so let's get straight into it. Alright y'all, so my final thoughts as of right now, I have not done a wear test, so if you guys are interested in that, maybe I could do a vlog or something and do a wear test for you all. But as of right now, like, I really love how my face looks. It looks radiant, but it's matte to the touch. Like, it looks so radiant, but I've set with the powder, so I would be interested to see like if I could just use the powder on its own as like just an everyday powder foundation for lightweight coverage. But this face is like, I didn't even bronze. All I did was put on the foundation. I put a little bit of concealer under my eyes and just a dash of bronzer, like just a dash of bronzer. And this is literally giving almost a 2-step makeup routine, 3 if you add concealer. Like, what? Like, as far as face complexion makeup, like, you can get away with the foundation on its own or foundation and concealer if you want a little bit of dimension. Like, I think this face looks so amazing. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section below. Also, if you're my shade twin, I use the shade Acura in the liquid foundation. And then for the powder foundation, I use the shade Cameroon under the eyes, and I use the shade Zaria to set the rest of my face. So I definitely think if you're layering the powder foundation on top of the liquid one, that going in with a brush gives it a lighter coverage look versus versus going in with that same sponge and applying it. But if you want a greater coverage and say you're just using the powder, definitely use the sponge. Also, I really love this sponge. Like it's flat, it's straight to the point, and it gets right up in here in these nooks and crannies, and I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. So definitely recommend getting your hands on this foundation and this sponge. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed any part of this video. And y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tipple. See y'all in the next one.
It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.